Hey guys, you may be wondering how we can change the club in FC Mobile 24. So this is how you can do it. Go to this club, okay, and then go to your locker room. Then you see you can change your and everything about the club here. Now I want to change the club, so I'll go to Crest. Okay, so here I can change the league, and you can pick up your any favorite club from here. Let's say I want to pick up Real Madrid, so I will go to La Liga and I'll go to Real Madrid and I select it, pressed updated successfully. You can see my club is updated. You can also change the logo from here, emotes and kit and so many other things. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.